will open the Scentsy box in Scentsy Scentsy buddies in the boxes, and I could find it.
What do you think it's gonna be?
Lion King.
You think it's gonna be Lion King? What makes you think that?
I think it's nothing.
You just know.
Yeah, I just know.
You just know.
Yeah.
That's what she's guessing, that it's Lion King. Okay, Eliza, can you open this box and tell me what you see in it? You can't read.
It's Lion King.
What is that one? Is that his scent pack?
Yeah.
Circle of Life? That little booty hanging out. You get it?
I can get it.
You can? All right, let's see him.
I'm gonna open that box.
Do you know how?
I know how.
Okay, let me see this box. Can I have the Scentsy box behind you?
Something in it.
Yeah, it's the Scentsy bar. Can I have it? Okay, thank you.
You can open it. I can open it myself. Why don't eat it in?
Because I don't have any hands. It's really hard to open these without hands. Hey, Kip.
I can't.
I know, I don't have any hands either. Hold on. Sorry, friends. I'm going to put you down for just a second. Whee!
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, friends. 1 second.
Wait a second.
Okay. Don't pull him out yet. I'll tell you when. Don't pull him out yet. Like secrets. Oopsies. Okay, not yet. Ready? Okay. Hold on. Let's get the focus. Okay, you can pull him out now.
It's Simba. Bumblebee.
What are you singing?
Bumblebee.
Oh, Wimboe. He is huge. Wow, look how cool he is. You love him? You snuggle him?
I want to do this.
What do you want to do? Okay. Hey, Eliza, we have to smell the smell. You want to smell the smell with me? This is like an amber and woods fragrance. Like amber and sandalwood. Oh, it's good. Smell it. Hey, what does it smell like?
Simba.
Simba! What do you think it really smells like?
Candy.
Candy? No. It is like an amber sandalwood smell. That's what it smells like. Amber and sandalwood. Awesome! Can we open the pack? Do you know where it goes?
This hiding spot.
It's in the hiding spot? You're so cute.
Here you go. I like Simba. He's a good boy. I wish I didn't get baby sit pack.
Do you put it in there? It smells a little like oatmeal, like Woody's does. Sometimes they just have to air out a little bit.
I wanna show maybe Jose. I'll show Jose it's my Lion King.
You want to show Jose your Lion King? Okay.
And he's not buy it.
He's not gonna buy it.
No. I'll
Good job getting that scent pack in there. Doing some lion surgery.
Here.
Okay, do you know how to zip it up?
I have to. Okay. His tail is fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
You can fluff it.
Yep, I can fluff it. Okay, do you know how to zip him up? Where's the zipper?
Right here.
Do you think you can zip it?
I can.
Good job, Eliza. Now show everybody him.
This is a Simba.
Simba
And his tail.
and his tail
Fluffy.
is fluffy.
And he's dead. Roar! And you can fuss at him, and he has big ears, and he have say war. War!
You're so
And
cute.
he has scratchy footsies.
He has scratchy footsies.
And his pink noses in his mouth, and he's cute, and you can flash it, and you can feel his butt.
His butt! Stop it!
And you can press it,
I'm not gonna feel his butt.
and you can feel his poop.
I don't. Okay, we're done. Say goodbye, guys.
Goodbye, guys.
Can they buy one of their own?
Maybe no.
Maybe no.
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I think they can.
Buy,
They can buy them. Where do they buy those at?
hacking TV.
From the TV.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
We'll have one with the TV.
Okay, you're gonna buy one from the TV, and how much do they cost?
6 monies.
6 monies. Okay, so you can buy him off the TV, and they cost 6 monies.
We'll have flanking in there.
Okay. You say bye, everybody. Thank you.
Bye, everybody. Thank you. See you, Simba. I love him.